All right. So now we move to the next section of this lesson in probability. So we move on to Venn diagrams. Okay. So I think you might already have a quite a small idea about Venn diagrams from your IGCSEs. Okay. So basically, we use a Venn diagram to represent events graphically. Basically, so this is how a basic Venn diagram looks like, right? A Venn diagram with two sets. Okay. So the frequencies of probabilities can be placed in the regions of the Venn diagram. So inside these regions, we will place the frequency or the probability. And I think you might have already seen this particular symbol. This is the universal set. So universal set means this entire set. Okay, yeah, this symbol, it's called universal set, is used to represent the whole sample space. So basically, universal set represents everyone inside the rectangle. Everything, all the components will belong to the universal set. And in this, the events A and B. So here the A and B are the events. In this case, I'll name them. So this is event A and this is event B inside the universal set. So let's see how to work with these kinds of diagrams. Okay, so we will go into marking the probabilities, marking frequencies, and also we will discuss about shading. Okay, shading Venn diagrams. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so we'll move on to exercise 4B. Question number 1. They say there are 25 students in a tutor group at International College. There are 16 students in the tutor group studying Arabic, 14 studying English, and 6 students study both English and Arabic. Draw a Venn diagram to represent the information. Okay. Okay, so let's draw a Venn diagram. Okay, let me wait. Okay, so you can see I have drawn, I have drawn in a better way now. Okay, so let's name the circles. So the first one is studying Arabic. And the next one is studying English. Okay, so they say there are 25 students in a tutor group at International College. So 25 students is the total. So which means you will put the 25 at the top. 25 at the top. There are 16 in the tutor group studying Arabic. So when they say 16 study Arabic, are you just going to put 16 like this? Is this correct? If they say 16 students study Arabic, it means this entire circle, and this circle has two regions here. So you do not write the 16 over here only at this point. So this is only Arabic. No. So when they say 16 students in the group study Arabic, it means this entire circle, both the regions. So in such situations, you'll mark 16 at the top like this. Okay. Now they say 14 are studying English. And when they say 14 are studying English, it means this whole circle, the entire English circle, both the regions. So mark 14 at the top. And 6 students study both English and Arabic. So 6 are studying both English and Arabic. So you'll write 6 here. Okay. So draw a Venn diagram to represent this information. So it's done, but not entirely done yet, because I need to find the values in the individual regions here. So in these individual regions, let's find the values. Okay, so over here, the full circle is 16, and over here there's 6. So 16 minus 6, this is, I hope you guys can see this entire circle, the Arabic circle has 16 students. So in the center, there are 6. So these 6 are the students who study both Arabic and English. That's why it's marked in the intersection of the circles, right? So if you want to find the number of students in this region, like these are the students who study Arabic, but they don't study English, isn't it? Because it's outside of the English circle and it's inside the Arabic circle only. So this is these are the people in this particular region. You find the people who study Arabic only. They don't study English. So in that case, how many students are there here? All you got to do is to subtract from the full total of the circle. You subtract 6. So 16 minus 6 is 10. And over here in the English circle, the whole circle, there's 14. So 14, you have to subtract 6. 14 minus 6, and that's 8. 14 minus 6 is 8, right? Okay. So, and also I need you to find the number of people who do not study either subject. So, outside of the two circles, you will find the number of students who don't study Arabic and who don't study English. Basically, the remaining students. So, can we find the number of people in that region? Okay, so to get the number of people who are outside both the circles, what you do is you consider the individual values in the region. So there's 10 here for only Arabic, 6 in this second region, both English, Arabic, and 8 who speak only English. So what you should do is you add these three values so that you get the total of all the three parts inside the circles, and you subtract it from 25. So be aware that you don't just add 16 and 14. If you add 16 and 14, you will kind of be adding this 6 twice, isn't it? Because 16 also includes these 6 students and the 14 also includes the 6 students. So when you're trying to get the outside figure here, it's best that you consider the regions individually. Okay, don't consider the full circle because the circles overlap, and certain if you add 16 and 14, you are adding the 6 twice. Okay, so we'll add these individual 10 plus 6 plus 8. 10 plus 6 plus 10 plus 6, 16 plus 8, that's 24. So from 24, I mean, the whole thing has 25 students, which means outside there should be 25 minus 24. There'll be one student. So this is the Venn diagram, the complete Venn diagram with all the information. Okay, so the next thing they're asking us to do is in part B. So this is part A. Find the probability that a randomly chosen student in the tutor group studies English. So probability that he studies English. Probability, I'll write E. So what's the probability he studies English? You can see English, the total is that's 14. So 14 students are studying English altogether out of total 25. So 14 out of 25, does it simplify? No, right? 14 over 25 is the answer. Agreed? Roman number 2, studies English and Arabic. So English and Arabic. So what's the probability of studying both English and Arabic? Both English and Arabic, there are 6 students who study both English and Arabic. So you have 6 out of 25. I think it doesn't simplify as well, right? 6 over 25. Roman number 3, studies English but not Arabic. English but not Arabic. Okay, so how do we get the number of students in that region? So Roman number 3, studying English but not Arabic. I think you can see here it's in the English circle, the people who study English, and in that there are 2 regions. So these 6 people study English and Arabic. These 8 people, they study English, but they don't have any influence with the Arabic circle here. Can you see it's completely outside? So therefore, there are 8 students who study English without Arabic, or they study only English, basically only English. So 8 out of 25. Roman number 4 does not study English or Arabic. So neither English, neither A nor E. So they don't study both these subjects. So how many such students are there? They don't study either. There's only one student. Can you see? So 1 out of 25. Okay, so this is the probability. Okay.